Greetings, YouTube. Danny Staten here on the Daily Damn Blog. I'm in the woods, very near Crescent Hill, South Carolina. I've been investigating where some hikers said they saw a large hairy creature in the woods. I've been here all day. You can see some really cool videos where I found footprints, where I heard whoops, where I heard something walking in the woods, where I had a rock thrown at me. And then I found a guy sleeping in a fucking tent, probably a meth head. You can see that video on the Danny Staten channel. So I got real far away from him. I went to the other side of the forest to have a look around. I want to at least make a couple more videos before I called it a day, because I did have a lot of action in this area. I'm hoping whatever gave me the action is still in this area. I'm right above where that damn rock was thrown at me. I thought I'd come back and give it another walk through real quick before I left, even though that's been quite a while ago. I've been out here about 4 hours today. 5 hours. Yeah, if the goof I found passed out had been awake, I would have swore he was the one that threw the fucking rock at me. I think he still thinks he might have been faking that sleeping shit and just threw the rock at me to fuck with me. Saw me come in, dipped in that goddamn tent, acted like he was asleep. I don't, that's just the life of Daily Dan. Weird on top of weird. Lots of tree breakage in this area. Now you can tell something come across here and messed up this limb, because if you touch it, see how it's falling apart? When I step on it, something bigger than me stepped on that and crushed the fuck out of it. Be a good place to come buy some grapes in the summer. Lots of grapevines around here. I guess that means a lot of natural food sources, right? Anybody out there know what a scuffadine is? I saw some scuffadine bushes. It's a kind of grape, in case you're wondering. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever heard of that. That goes a weird noise. I'm back in these goddamn woods making all kinds of noise walking. Surrounded by freaking briars. Everywhere you look out here, the briars are going in thick this year. Kinda have to detour around them bad boys. Hate spiders. I hate spiders. Oh. There's a big ass dangerous tree. Dirt right up off its fucking roots. Watch that somebody's fall right when I get under it. That's my luck. Nope, not today. I'm hauling ass. I'm getting on through to the other side. I heard what sounded like a limb break again off in the distance. And a couple of other ones, somebody's old, maybe a campsite or where they drank beers or something. Yeah. God damn, what is some thick ass fucking woods down through here? I'll tell you what. I have to be kind of big and strong to make it down here. A lot of damn big trees down too. There's another one the same way. Fallen and broken. We ain't had no, I don't know, that looks old though. That looks old. That could have been done any time in the past. Look at that bend in this one though. Like it's growing that way. That's weird as fuck. If you're gonna pick up a track, this might be a good place to do it. Did you hear that, YouTube? That was a weird. I got grounded out by a motorcycle in the distance. But I was hearing something. So YouTube, be sure to let me know in the comments below what you think about my little investigation. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and be sure to join me next time here on the Daily Dan Blog. There's a big ass boulder. Thought I heard something again. Creepy day in the woods, boy. Creepy day in the woods. Did you hear anything? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, this is Danny Staten saying blog over, dudes.